What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach and Chase, and we are out here doing a comparison for you, side by side, of some of our absolute best-selling products from Fruition Design.
Yes.
We are their exclusive distributor throughout the entire world and could not be more honored by the amount of support that we have received from this incredible product. So let me talk about it a little bit. We're going to be comparing the SL1 and the E1 models. Essentially, we have two different enclosures that house wireless Sonos speakers. Specifically speaking, today we're going to be talking about the older generations, the Play 1, the 1, and the SL models. And we're going to be comparing it to the new Era 100 enclosure. We have both models still available in stock, shipping now on our website, and it does specifically say which enclosure is built for which model.
Yeah.
Let's back up a little. The Era 100, the SL, are not the same speaker enclosure. So they changed the design when they went from the Play 1, the 1, and the SL all have the exact same case, right? The enclosure, the physical speaker case, the chassis was exactly the same through those three models. That's why they fit this enclosure. Now, the new one, they made it a little bit skinnier and they actually changed the physical footprint as well as some of the buttons on the Era 100, which is why we had to make a new enclosure. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a close look of these products side by side so you guys understand which enclosure is appropriate for your exact model. If you would like to purchase, head over to the website or call today and speak with a specialist. Let's go! All right, welcome back, Dreamedia family. Today, I'm gonna toss it off to Chase before we actually bring the camera up close to talk about how you can utilize these together, even though they're different models, as well as some common use case scenarios. They can be used as mono, they can be used as stereo, they can be used in surround sound configurations. So take it away, Chase.
Yes, so what's really cool about this design changing based on the footprint of the speakers is that the enclosure from the viewing perspective did not change at all. So let's say that you had bought some SL1 enclosures and put them in your kitchen. Now you want some distributed audio in your dining room that's right next to it. So what's really cool is if you have some SLs in your wall and now you've got some new Era 100s that need to be in this E1 enclosure, once these are installed in your ceiling, they have the exact same footprint and they can be paired through the Sonos app. You know, you could, like, let's say you had a mono zone with an SL and now you want it to be a stereo zone. They're going to perform pretty well together. You can match them up. Very versatile design, clean look.
And everybody always says, guys, oh my gosh, the audio performance is going to be horrible. And the exploded view of the Era 100 and the Play 1 SL, all of those models, it's actually just a mono speaker and all of the audio is a woofer and a tweeter and it fires out, and that's it. Although the grill wraps all the way around, they don't have speakers all the way around these speakers.
No.
It's just strictly monos, and the performance, I can vouch for it, is identical. I have them in my primary bedroom right up there, and they perform very well. All right, what else do you want to add in, Chase?
Yeah. So in my house, I have a Sonos Arc on my bedroom TV, and I added two Era 100s on me and my fiance's bedside table. And we got tired of the look and it taking up so much room on the table, and I was lucky enough to have a 2x6 depth wall behind my bed. So we went ahead and dropped these in there. The power process is pretty simple. I have outlets below on each side of my bed flanking. So I was able to attach Romex there, run it up the wall, bring it into the enclosure. Right there. And you get a nice seal cap, and then you go ahead and pull these 4 screws here, and you'd wire this up the same way you'd wire up any switch or terminal, and then you're good to go. Your speaker comes in here. It's got the Sonos power cord built right in, so that fits right into the speaker. You tuck it in, slide the speaker back, get your locks into place. These are already in place as if the speaker is in there, but when you put the speaker in, they'll be out. You kick these dog ears out, it keeps your speaker from going anywhere. So this will grab sheetrock, or a tongue and groove ceiling, depending on how thick it is. You just get it into the wall, stick your Phillips screwdriver in there, and as you tighten it, it pulls these out, squeezes whatever material it's mounting to, and is a rock solid connection.
Sweet. And I would like to point out, guys, that see how it has this little bracket for the SL, the one and the Play One?
So I'm gonna show you that right there. There's the button. And if you look back, we'll show you a better angle. I'm pushing that button on the front.
Yeah, well, whenever the speaker is actually there would be pressure, and now do it.
Yeah.
See you guys.
So you're able to repair if something goes amok with your Sonos system.
Yep. And new Air 100 does not have that functionality, so it's not necessary. But if you look at the back, let's just flip it over. You guys will see how the enclosure was literally built. Let's put them side by side. You can see how the previous models were like a little wider, right? Wider and shorter. And this one is
a deeper speaker, thinner.
Deeper, thinner, and not as tall. But essentially it's the exact same thing. Very, very, very cool product. You can turn voice control on, and we have verified voice control still works. In addition to that, we have magnetic round grills included. We do sell separately some square grills that you can purchase for these.
And you can see how well, I mean, these are the exact same grill for both models. So these will fit in seamlessly if you already have some SL1s in and are looking at getting the new generation of Sonos speakers to expand your system.
All right, Dreamedia family, that is a wrap on the side-by-side comparison of the previous generation from Fruition Designs that holds the Play One, the One, as well as the SL models. All three fit in this enclosure. We have been getting chat requests left and right for months now since this enclosure came out, asking which model fits what.
Yeah.
And we have it now spelled out very clearly on the website exactly which models fit, but wanted to make an in-depth video for you guys explaining why there's two different enclosures. And essentially it's just because the Sonos wireless speakers have now changed to the Era, which is a whole new physical design versus the Play One, SL, and One models. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative and helping you make a buying decision. If you would like to purchase this product or anything else electronic related for your home, reach out today for a free video consultation. We do offer a free design service, as well as we offer full home, smart home integration here in the Colorado market and soon to come in the Nashville market. We're rapidly expanding here at Dreamedia and are very grateful for all of your support. As I've stated, we've had a lot of questions about this product and just wanted to clear the air and make sure you guys are getting the correct product for your home. If you like this video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach and Chase with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one, guys.